Okay, so today's lesson is going to be about, let's get rid of me so you can actually concentrate. Yeah. So today we're going to be discussing how kind of conjunctions, aspects, and exchange of signs. This is how planets actually do influence each other. But I think the best way is to actually have a look at the charts. So far we've done houses, we've done planets, and now we're going to see how they influence, if you like. So let's start. This is the chart of, this is obviously South Indian chart, and this is North Indian chart. And this is the ascendant, so it's Cancer ascendant in area in both of them. This is Muhammad Ali, famous boxer. And basically, we are going to see how we're going to just keep studying his chart, really. I think it's probably for ease. So when a planet is in a sign, it actually is influencing that sign. So, for example, in his chart, we have, I'm going to forget about Rahu Ketu. Going to go straight to his 7th house. So in 7th house for him, we have Sun, Moon, Mercury, and Venus. Sun, Moon, Mercury, and Venus in his 7th house from his ascendant. So it just means that these planets, by conjunction or co-joining, they are all influencing the 7th house, Capricorn. Here we are. And they also through aspect, because all planets, apart, we're not talking about Rahu Ketu at the moment, all planets influence wherever they are sitting, and 7 houses or the house right opposite. So here we are, Venus, Mercury, Moon, and Sun, they're all aspecting Cancer as well. So it means they're all also influencing 1st house or 7 houses away from 7th house. So this is how planets actually influence. And also we can see that Venus, Mercury, Moon, and the Sun not only obviously influencing Capricorn and Cancer, but they're also influencing each other because the 4 of them are sitting in one house. So this is how influences or aspects happen. So by conjunction, which is, you know, these planets are conjunct each other, or you can also say that they're conjunct in Capricorn, and they're also influencing the 1st house. And here we are in his 10th house. He has Mars and a retrograde Saturn. There are also in Aries, his 10th house. Opposite house to the 10th house is 4th house, Libra. So Mars and Saturn are also influencing his 4th house of Libra. Jupiter is retrograde, and in retrograde is this R. So you can see he's got 3 retrograde planets, Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter. It's sitting in his 11th house, Taurus, and so it's influencing Taurus, but it's also influencing 7 houses from there, which is Scorpio, his 5th house as well. So this is how you can say that planets also influence each other and influence houses opposite. So you can see that in his chart. Whenever a planet actually, by aspect, is aspecting the house that it owns, it also gives blessing or protects that house as well. So here we are, Moon, because it's actually aspecting Cancer and he rules Cancer, it's therefore protecting that house as well. So it's very important to know that any planet actually aspecting their own house, they will actually give blessing to that house, no matter whether they are malefic planet like Mars, Saturn, or Sun, or benefic planet like Jupiter, Venus, Moon, and Mercury. So I just wanted to just say that as well whilst we're at it. So anytime a planet influences a sign or another planet is called sambandha, which is almost like influence or connection. So you can see, say here, that in the 7th house here, Sun is influencing or has a sambandha with Moon, also has a sambandha with Mercury, and also sambandha with Venus. And equally, Moon has sambandha with the Sun, with Mercury and Venus, and so forth. So that means that Saturn is influencing, has sambandha with Mars, and Mars sambandha with Saturn also. It's worthy of knowing that as well. So when a planet is actually aspecting a house, the Sanskrit word for that is drishti. So you could also say that Venus, Moon, Mercury, and Sun all are actually influencing Cancer by their drishti or glance. So aspect, basically, same as Mars and Saturn by drishti are actually influencing Libra, the 4th house, and also Jupiter through drishti or glance or aspect is actually aspecting Scorpio. So it's worthy to know that. The other thing, obviously, that I wanted you to also know that all planets have a 7 aspect from where they are. So that means that any planet sitting in Aries will be influencing Libra. Any planet in Libra will be influencing Aries. Any planet in Taurus will be aspecting Scorpio. Any planet in Scorpio will be aspecting Taurus. Gemini, any planet there aspects Sagittarius. Sagittarius aspect Gemini. Cancer, Capricorn, Capricorn, Cancer. Leo, Aquarius, Aquarius, Leo. Virgo, Pisces, Pisces will aspect Virgo. We said Libra, Libra, Aries, Aries, Libra, Scorpio, and it goes all the way around. So this is a given. So any planet sitting in any of those houses, they will naturally aspect 7 houses away. There are special aspects given to Mars, Saturn, and also Jupiter. Mars, as well as its 7th aspect, has also got a 4th aspect. So Mars from Aries will be aspecting, you always include the 1st house, so from where it's sitting. So Mars, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, in this system will be, so Mars in Aries will be aspecting 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the ascendant. And also, obviously, we said Libra, and also aspects 8 houses away, which is Scorpio. So 8 houses away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just find it really hard reading North Indian chart. So it's worthy of knowing that. And Jupiter has 5 and 9 as well as a 7. So Jupiter from Taurus will be aspecting 5 houses away, Virgo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 7 houses away, which is Scorpio, and also 9 houses away, which is Capricorn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Capricorn. Capricorn has been seriously aspected there. So these are the blessings that Jupiter is giving to different houses. It's very important to know that they say, a glance from, or drishti from Jupiter kind of really helps the house, even a weak Jupiter really. So, and Jupiter in Taurus here is not particularly strong. Then we have Saturn. Saturn has, apart from the obviously 7th aspect, has got 3rd aspect, 3. So from Aries will be 1, 2, 3, Gemini. Obviously 7. And also has a 10th aspect as well, which will be 7, 8, 9, 10. So there we go. Wow, Capricorn gets pretty much every single planet apart from Mars is aspecting Capricorn. That's really incredible. Obviously, I'm not talking about Rahu Ketu, but these are, and they say obviously when Saturn obviously is karaka or significator of the 10th house. 10th house has got many significators. One of them is Saturn, and Saturn's 10th aspect can really help the career, particularly if it's aspect in 10th house. So there we are. That's amazing. So, and then the nodes aspect 5 and 9 houses, because they're actually one thing really, Rahu Ketu. This is the head of the serpent and this is the body of the serpent. So it's one thing really. So you don't want to say it's aspect in 7 houses, because it's just one kind of shadowy planet really. It's just one is head of it, one is the body of it, that's it. So Rahu aspects 5th houses away from it, which from here will be Sagittarius. So from Leo will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also 9 houses away. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So also aspects 10th house or Aries. And K2, some astrologers don't use K2's aspect because they say it's headless, so therefore it can't have a drishti or an aspect. But if you do take it, so it will be aspect in 5 houses away, which will be 12th house Gemini, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also 9 houses away, 6, 7, 8, 9, which will be Libra. So this is how aspects or drishtis will be. So this is the lesson for today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.